Hello everyone. In the previous tutorial, we learned about singleton object. In this tutorial, we will learn about companion object. Before that, look at this class smartphone. For instantiating it, we need to use the new keyword. But what if we remove it? It will throw us an error. Some people do not like to use this new keyword for instantiating the class. This is possible using companion objects. So let me create a new class. I will call it Companion Tutorial. Select object and press enter. Let's extend it with app trait. Let me also paste the class smartphone here. So, what is a companion object? A companion object is the object which has same name as that of the class and it is present in the same file. So now this object smartphone is companion object of class smartphone. This object should contain a method called apply which instantiates the class smartphone. Now let's try to create another instance of the class smartphone. Let's call it Vivo smartphone equal to new smartphone. Brand name is Vivo. Model is Vivo V11 and the price is 16,000 INR. Now, if we remove this new keyword, we do not get any error. This is because of this apply method in the companion object. That's all for this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.